This is basically a quick and easy guide to get started with cast iron cooking. Not going to spend a lot of time on this because it is really simple. If you've been watching other videos out there, people bringing out their sanders and their grinders and they're grinding down their pans and because it's got to be smooth. It doesn't. Look, smooth the pan, the seasoning doesn't stay on. The process is easy. I'm not going to strip this down and go through it all for you. Don't listen to all those other videos that tell you to get your grinder out or your sander out and start smoothing the surface of your pan down and all. No. Blah. No good. It's really simple. Go on Amazon. Link in description. Get yourself a Lodge 12-inch cast iron pan. You know, you can usually have it the next day or within a couple of days. When your Lodge cast iron pan arrives, this is not a brand new one, but let's pretend it is. When it arrives, pull the little cardboard thing off, get that little glue pack off, the glue globule or whatever it is off of it, and stick it in your sink and start washing it. Wash your pan. Soap, water, take steel wool, take a Brillo pad, give it a good scrub. Give it a really good scrub. I mean, scrub it good and clean. Good and clean. Scrub. Preheat your oven. Get it nice and warm to about 400 degrees. Once you got it all clean, dry it off with a towel, a clean towel or a clean paper towel, and stick it in the oven to finish drying. Get that baby up to about 250 degrees. Pull it out of the oven. Stick it on the counter. Get you some flaxseed oil. Link in description at Amazon. Really simple. Don't worry, you can do this. Order it when you order your pan. Don't sand your pan. You don't need to. You're going to be sorry if you do. The seasoning won't stick. Look, I fried a couple hot dogs in this. The seasoning gone. Don't sand your pans. Don't. Okay, so now you got your pan heated up. It ain't no big deal. You just heat it up a little bit, about 250 degrees. Get yourself some flaxseed oil. Put your little dab in there. Make sure you saturate the whole pan. Saturate the whole pan, all surfaces, all the way around, even the handle. Turn it over, bottom. Then you just get a paper towel. Wipe it all off. You're not actually wiping all of it off, but you're leaving behind everything that's slipped down into those micro pores and crevices and all that. You don't want a big goopy layer on there, otherwise it's going to get sticky and it's just not going to adhere very well. So try to wipe as much off as you can so you get a micro thin layer of oil on there. Then you pop it upside down in your 400 degree oven. 1 hour. That's it. It's easy. Ain't no big deal. Really, it's not a big deal. You repeat that 2 or 3 times and you're good to go. Cook. Ready to go. I swear people make such a big deal about sanding it down and going through this big process when they get their new Lodge cast iron pan and they got to sand it down and they got to scrub it and they got to do this and they got to do that. No, you don't. Don't worry. Don't just ignore all that. It's perfectly simple. Don't forget to check the links in the description. I've got all sorts of Lodge cast iron pans available on Amazon with like next day delivery. If you want to take your cooking to the next level, every cook needs temperature control. You got a laser temperature device and of course a food thermometer. Links in description. As always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.